Hi everyone, this is Mr. Siu from Math Accelerator Center. Welcome to Lesson 4. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I solve a P6 percentage problem sum using the before change after table. The before change after table is a highly effective tool for solving multi-steps word problems involving changes in quantity. It allows you to visualize the transformation of data from its initial state to its final state, making it harder to lose track of the numbers along the way. Step 1 is to construct the table. Create a grid where the rows represents the items and the columns represents the timeline of the problem. Step 2 is to assign 100% to the unknown group. In percentage-based problem, we assign 100% or 100 units to the original value of the unknown group. And step 3 is to form an equation to solve the question. Link the table data to the final total given in the problem. Now I'm going to show you how I solve this in the following question. First, let me read the question to you. A shop has 60 t-shirts and some blouses at first. After 10 t-shirts and 20% of the blouses were sold, the shop had a total of 118 t-shirts and blouses left. How many blouses did the shop have at first? After reading, let's underline some of the key information in this question. There are 60 t-shirts, some blouses at first. Here's the change. So all this information are at first. Next, there are 10 t-shirts and 20% of the blouses were sold. So here are the changes. The shop has a total of 118 t-shirts and blouses left. So here is the information after the change. And we need to find how many blouses the shop have at first. So we have all this information now. So we're going to construct our table. So first of all, we form the columns. The columns will be the t-shirts and the blouses. So we have the before row. We were told we have 60 t-shirts and some blouses. So we do not have enough information, so we leave it blank for the time being. Next will be the change. 10 t-shirts were sold, so minus 10. 20% of the blouses were sold, therefore minus 20%. Then we go to the after. 60 minus 10, we're left with 50 t-shirts. Now over here for the column for the blouses, now we know that 20% of the blouses were sold, therefore the initial amount must be 100%. So 100 minus 20, we're left with 80%. Next, we were also told that the total at the end is 118 t-shirts and blouses. So we have to form the total column. Down here will be 118. So over here, we can see we have a full set of information that will help us to form the equation. So in this equation, we can see that 50 t-shirts plus 80% of all the blouses will add up to give you 118 items. So next, we need to find the value of this 80%. So this 80%, we will take 118 minus 50. So this will give us 68. Next, we will find the value of 1%. So 1%, we will take 68, divide by 80, and this will give us 0.85. Next, we need to find how many blouses were there in the shop at first, which is equals to 100%. So to find 100%, we will take 0.85 multiplied by 100. And we will arrive at 85. So therefore, we found the answer. The number of blouses the shop have at first is equals to 85. Is your child finding math challenging, especially when it comes to model drawing? If you want them to master proven techniques for solving problem sums with confidence and precision as shown earlier, we're here to help. Drop us a message in the comments or simply click on the button to get started. Do like and share this video to help us reach more parents and students who may benefit from this content. See you in the next video.